Guys, so I just posted this video where I said that I went all in crypto. Most of the comments said that it's too late, that I had to go all in 2 years earlier, 8 months earlier. And I think this is funny because if you look at XRP or Cardano, you can see XRP actually went up like 4x, 5x in 1 month. So in November, as you can see here, price was down, still down for the last 2 years, and only from November to December it pumped like crazy. That's why I don't understand these comments when they are saying like I had to go all in 2 years ago. It's too late now. Obviously it is not too late if you're looking at prices for altcoins, and I agree that for Bitcoin it might be too late if you want to get 5x, 10x, maybe even 100x, because Bitcoin will most likely reach 200,000, maybe 250,000, which is like 2x from now, which is basically not that much. But again, if we are looking at coins like Cardano, XRP, they basically gain around $100 billion in market cap. They just added in 1 month, like this is nothing. And that's not one project. There are many projects that added like hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap. And if you think about meme coins, the biggest meme coins like Dog with Hat, Pepe, have like 1 billion, 5 billion, $9 billion in market cap. And these are the biggest meme coins. Imagine the fact that Bitcoin itself added $1 trillion in its market cap. So I don't understand why people think that it's too late to invest in crypto right now. Of course, the biggest coins, you have to be early. Right now, it's not very early to invest in like top 5, top 10 coins like BNB, XRP, Cardano, unless you have like millions of dollars and you want to get 2x or 1.5x, 50% gain. That's my reasoning. That's when you want to play safe and just go for the big coins, because you don't want to risk it. You don't want to risk like millions of dollars of your capital. But if you're not a big whale, and I can guarantee that none of these commenters that commented on my last video, none of them are big whales. The problem with them is that they think that Bitcoin has gone up from 30,000 to 90,000 and it's too late to invest. But if you're actually smart and you look at historic charts, you know that it takes few months after Bitcoin reached its all-time high for the most people, the retail, to go all in, start investing. Right now, people are still in denial. They think that everything will basically go down. After 2 to 3 months, when everything is just going up, they will decide to put in some money in crypto. And most likely it will be too late for them. That's when the euphoria hits, when everything is going up for the next 2 to 3 months. And again, if XRP can add $100 billion in its market cap in 1 month, if Bitcoin can add $1 trillion in last like 2 months, 3 months, why are there projects that have the market cap around 10 million, 100 million? Why is there a problem for them to go to 1 billion? Like games like Axie Infinity went, I think, like $6 billion in market cap. You could get like 100x or 1000x from Axie Infinity, with Sandbox as well. There are so many huge projects, and the gaming, the NFTs, the AI, everything is so big, and it is much more adopted than it was in 2021. Also, the institutions, Donald Trump, the president, is bullish on crypto. There are so many huge aspects. That's why I'm not even looking at these Bitcoin dumps when it goes from 100,000 to 97,000 or 93,000. These retractions will be basically nothing compared on what will happen in crypto for the next 12 months. In my opinion, maybe even 24 months, because again, institutions are here. And there are so many undervalued projects that I'm talking about frequently, even on my Twitter. The meme coins right now are still going crazy. Only if you're not in this space, you think that everything is gone, that nothing is happening. But the keyword in this video that I want to mention is altcoins. There are so many undervalued altcoins, and only when the hype gets bigger and bigger, that's when people will realize that altcoins will pump like crazy. But if these commenters are not bullish right now, many people are buying right now, they will be holding for the next 12 months. If you will be late, you just have to understand that there are many people that bought like months earlier, similar to XRP. If you bought like 1 month ago, you would have at least 4x, 5x in your gains. And if you're investing right now, you'll most likely get like 2x, 3x max. And that's because you're late and you have no conviction. That's why this is a straight up message to all my commenters that think that this bull run is over and it's too late. In my opinion, it's not too late. Of course, crypto is risky and everything can go to zero anytime. This is not a financial advice, but in my opinion, this will not happen. I think we'll see a huge, the biggest bull run in the history, because all the institutions, the BlackRock is bullish on crypto. This has never happened before. Every past the crypto bull run, everyone was talking about institutions adopting. There was some Visa buying CryptoPunk and all that stuff, and people thought that institutions are here. That wasn't true. Everything dumped, and right now the institutions are here. That's why I personally, I'm really, really bullish on crypto. And don't be discouraged by these comments, the thing that say that it's too late. Trust me, they will come back when the true euphoria hits, when they just see all their friends, all the people that even me, that I'm making videos about telling you that everything will go straight up. They will just feel the FOMO, and they will be basically late. When people like me will get 40x, they will be only at 2x, 4x. And yeah, when we dump on you, don't blame the crypto market, blame yourself. You have to invest when the majority, when the retail is not here, when they are not believing in this stuff. That's why my opinion is do your research, don't fade the crypto. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.